Matt, the mortgage guy here. A quick video to talk about the importance of working with a specialist. And I was having some thoughts today around this, and so I'll tell you what I mean by specialist. Whether it's your mortgage advisor, your real estate advisor, your tax advisor, your financial advisor, it's really important you work with a specialist. In most cases, you're going to, it's going to affect you substantially, depending on who you work with. And, a quick example, somebody is thinking about selling a house and, for them, a realtor just draws up a list agreement, puts a sign in the yard and sells my house. It doesn't matter who I work with. I don't need to work with a specialist. Tens of thousands of dollars in the higher price points, we're probably talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars, can be cost by using somebody who just isn't that knowledgeable. Doesn't mean they're not a good person. They're just not a specialist. And, I see it every single day, and it blows my mind how somebody can, a quick example, something's listed for sale in the area that I live in, and in the description is the wrong neighborhood. It doesn't list College Glen, it says Rosemont. This home is clearly in College Glen, and they're different. Same zip code, 95826, but different neighborhoods. I could tell by the picture that this real estate agent wasn't very involved or good at what they're doing, because they post one or two horrendous pictures versus, having a little bit of professionalism and getting, maybe 10 or 12 minimum decent pictures up on the interwebs for people that are searching. So anyhow, depending on, what that home sells for, I don't know. Did it cost them $15,000, $20,000, $25,000 by working with somebody who doesn't know what they're doing versus a local pro who really knows the area, knows how to prepare the home for sale, knows how to properly price it, knows how to get it out to as many people as possible? The pictures sure would help. Knowing what neighborhood it is in sure would help. So little things like that. And the same goes for a mortgage professional. I have many conversations where somebody calls me and starts talking about a construction loan or a 203K loan or reverse mortgage. And I tell them just really honestly, that's not my specialty. I could, as a broker, I have the ability to go out there and broker a hard money loan. I have the ability to broker a 203K loan, a construction loan, but I'm not going to, because it's not what I specialize in. All day, every day, I do a certain handful of loans, 1 to 4 unit purchase, refinance, in these price points. And that's just what I do all day, every day. I feel like we're really good at it. Me and my team have that stuff dialed in. For me to go and try to learn a new program and do a 203K loan for somebody is a true disservice to them when there's somebody who specializes in those, somebody who does 5 of those a month and is really good at it. That's who you should work with. That's why I'd advise you work with. But people every day, I see it where they just find the first person, or it's Aunt Sue's cousin, or it's Bobby Joe's neighbor. I don't know where they find these folks, but it's truly a disservice. So find a specialist. Whether it's a real estate agent, it's a mortgage advisor, your financial advisors, find somebody who knows what the heck they're doing and hire them. All right. Especially when it costs you good hard-earned money to work with somebody who's not so good at what they do. Anyhow, rant over. Until next time, and if you have any questions, give me a call. Bye.